Hello to Wallaton. It is time for another edition of Kitchen Science, where I get to combine two of my favorite things, my kitchen and science. Today, we are going to do magic, and I would like to point out that most magic is science. And if it's not science, it's usually engineering and occasionally math. Magic is pretty much STEM right there in one giant fun activity. So today we are going to do a magic trick that uses solid science. So let's get started. To make this magic happen, you do not need hardly anything. What we are going to do is make a penny disappear. To make a penny disappear, you're going to need a plate, a saucer. Yes, easy peasy, right? A glass, and then eventually you will fill it up with water. And you will need, not surprisingly, a penny, because we're going to make it disappear. That's all you need. It's a really simple one, and I have to say, it may not look as amazing on the film as it does in real life, but it looks super cool in real life. So make sure you do this one. All right, so first thing you want to do is put your penny on the countertop or possibly on a plate. I'm just doing that because I like the blue ring around. I feel like it makes it emphasize a little bit more, but you do not need a plate. So put your penny on the plate. Grab your empty cup, put it on top of the penny. Grab your other saucer and put it on top of the cup. Can you still see the penny? I can still see the penny. The science magic has not happened yet, so let's add some water. Okay, check this out in action. I'm gonna fill this guy up with water. So again, it's not one of these super persnickety ones. Do you see the penny? It's gone, right? Pretty cool, right? It's kind of like magic, except it's not. It's still there. Check it out. What's happening here? It's time for some science. All right, it's time for some science. It's time for some science. It's time for some science today. Okay, science. Today we're talking about refraction, and specifically refraction of light. And what that means is that generally when we see things, we are seeing them because of light rays that bounce off of them and come back to our eyes. But if you put water in that cup, you are creating refraction and you're bending the light. And because you're bending the light, it makes it so that you can't see the penny at the bottom of the glass. It's pretty amazing. A lot of magic is based in basic science principles. So if you really love a magic show, it is time to go bust out some science, learn some magic, and figure out how you can amaze all of your friends while also teaching them a little bit about science. All right, that's Kitchen Science for today. I'll see you in 2 weeks.